All right, let's go ahead and build a circuit. So I got my iron, my solder, and some wires. I need more than that. I'm gonna need this one too, probably. So two wires. So I'm gonna turn on the iron and add this little cleaner here. This one I printed with my 3D printer. You can see here. It's not that bad. It isn't PLA, like some sort of plastic or something like that. I print my 3D printers. I make some other models, but this one turns out to be the. This one was a little big, so yeah. Anyway, so we have this. So let me heat up the iron a little more. So mine will be more like of 100 degrees. So we have this little PCB. I don't know what they call it, like a perf board, something like that. And I'm gonna need some LED resistor and some pin. So I choose the resistor based on the voltage I'm going to apply to the pin, which will be 3.7. I'm going to use the lithium battery 18650. So, and I don't know if I mentioned that one. This is the iron, this sort of wire. So let me apply some over here. So heating. So I'm gonna need it to heat up a little more. Maybe not. Uh, that's weird. Okay, there we go. Oh, I forgot one thing. This is so bad. Okay, this is not good. Um, we need one more. Put it back there. Put this one close. Okay. Now we got a film extractor. Hopefully it does the job. Maybe not. We'll see. Find a way around. You can be that. Okay. The film extractor. Let me grab this one out again. This one is kind of weird. I don't know why is this. What the heck is that? I don't know. This iron is kind of weird sometimes. Okay, cut it out. So, apply some lead in there, some solder, and then just clean it. Have the tip nicely and clean. Now we can put it back. This guy is not good. I'm gonna try to find a better way to deal with it. So maybe raise a little up. Let's leave this guy. Alright, I think that would do it. Okay, let's see if it will do it or not. Alright, see. Okay, film is working as it's supposed to. Perfect, perfect, nicely. Perfect. Maybe we can make it closer. Something like that. Alright, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and solder the LED first. So the pin will be somewhere in here. So maybe we'll put the LED somewhere in here. I don't know. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the LED. And that's good. And what you want to do is just bend it to have like some sort of a V shape, okay? V shape like that. And then you can just jump in here. Let me go ahead and add this one too, the resistor. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one, but let's see. Let me put it right there. And then add the other lead. Okay. This is really handy stuff in here. So let's try to put it up. Maybe it's too close, I guess. Yeah. Probably not the best way. Alright, let's do it this way. Then I can pull it out, put that one to out. Okay, here we go. So do the thing of the V shape again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start those two first, okay? So I can put it up here so we don't get some messy stuff around here. Alright. What I wanna do, just clean one more time and heat it up. Heat up that and then apply solder, okay? Heat up and apply solder. Okay, this is not it's getting really awkward. Okay, when I heat it up, and then we're gonna apply solder to it. Okay, just like that. Pretty good. Alright, this is not doing a good job. Let me move a little bit close. Alright, we got one. So we're gonna put it close, heat up, and apply solder. Okay. Alright, and clean it up again, put it back. And yeah, let me check this out. Let's check it out. It's pretty good, pretty solid. I mean, it's pretty good. So we got the LED, that's good. So let's move on to the second one. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna bend this one a little bit close so I can add this one on top of it. All right, just like that. Nothing too fancy. Okay, now we just go ahead and add the solder, apply the solder. Okay, maybe I should go ahead and then solder the other guy, the resistor before. So we're gonna heat it up and then apply solder. Okay, just like that. Pretty good. Heat up the board, and apply the solder to the other side. Oh shoot. Okay, pretty good. And put it back, and let's see how does it look. Perfect. So now we're gonna just connect those two guys. What I'm gonna do, just apply solder right here. Heats up, heat it up, and then apply solder. Heats up and apply solder, just like that. Maybe we can apply some more solder here. I don't know. It's gonna look awful, but hey. Okay. Let me apply more solder here. Gonna apply more solder there. Yeah, clean. Put it back. Okay. It's looking good. Perfect. And what we want to do at this point, just trim some of these guys off. Alright, let me see. Oh, this thing is getting way dark here. Go ahead and then trim this out. Okay, this is not good. It's trimming though, but this is so bad. Okay, no big deal. We're just gonna trim it from the top, just like that, and then grab a bolt and then trim the bottom one too. All right. Okay, that's good. It's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the paint to it. So for this one, I'm just gonna add it up there, maybe from here. It's fine. Oops. Put it this way. You know what I'm gonna do? Just put it on the breadboard. That's the easy way to do it. Alright, that's good. It's there. And what I'm gonna do, put on my solder here. Apply the heat to one side and the solder to the other side. So that is done. Alright, that's good. That's good. Perfect. Apply heat and solder. Alright, pretty good. Let's see. Alright, now we have the pin right there. That's pretty good. Look a little bumpy, but hey, it's fine. Yeah, it looks fine to me. So now we need some wires. So we need some wire coming over here to here and then a wire from here to here, okay? So we're gonna grab something like this. I think this will do it. And give yourself some room to trim it out. So that's good. Now I'm gonna come over here and then try to trim the top out of it. Something like that. That's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna trim this one too. Perfect. That's good. That's good. What I'm gonna do. So we're gonna put one here, like that. Okay, maybe. Oh, maybe we'll do it from here. Let me add this one first, and then I'm gonna solder that. Oh shit. Okay, that one is there. I'm gonna put it right there, and then solder that on it. Okay, just like that. Grab my solder here. I'm using this breadboard. Okay, I'm gonna put it there, and then we're gonna solder this on top of it. This is not the best way to do stuff here, but hey, it's gonna work. So let's have. Okay, this guy, I don't know how he's doing his job, but I think he's doing a poor job, and I don't like it. Okay, so one is going. So now we need to add the other one. So up. So this one gotta go somewhere in here. Maybe I should cut it a little bit short. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna cut it in the middle like that, just like that. And then I'm gonna try to trim it like that. Give more space in there. Okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I just put it right there, maybe right here. And then, oops. This is way handy. All right. Get in. Perfect. Okay, I made a way in, so I'm gonna add it to this one. We wanted to sort of so we get some connection with one of the pin legs, so that's good. Now we just need to apply some solder to it, and we should be good. Just put one solder. Okay. Uh, you know what? Let me use my helping hand here. That'll be way easier. I think so. All right. Yep. So we're gonna apply solder the heats and then apply solder to the other side. So we get a nice. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Okay. All right. My helping hand is a little bit off. All right. That's looking good. Now we need one wire from this pin to the second LED of the LED since one is connected to the resistor. Let me cut this one off. Yeah, I mean, this is not doing a good job, but probably I'm gonna need to get a new one. But for now, I'm gonna need the black wire one. So we wanna go from here to here, okay? That's look about right. So I'm gonna go ahead and then make it cut. Okay. I need to give myself some more room to so I can kind of strip the tape out. Alright, let's take that. Then do the second one too. Okay. Alright, pretty good. So I'm gonna apply one wire up here. Maybe here's good, okay. And then the second for the LED. So I'm gonna put one right here, maybe right here. Alright, let's put it right here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in the back there and then make it bend it a little bit so it touches the other lead. The pin. So what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see if I can use my helping hand to kind of hold it tight there. Okay. Maybe we need this up here. Get it close to my film extractor so I don't inhale that thing. Terrible. Alright, grab my heat. Let me clean this up. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Okay. Always keep your tip really clean. And here we go again. Heat and apply solder. Okay. Heat and solder. Heat and solder. Heat and solder. Perfect. Clean it up. Put it back. All right. That's looking good. Next step, I need to move this one to the second LED to the LED. So I think I can put it right here. Maybe two. Okay, maybe I can put it right here. I don't know. All right, we're gonna bend this one a little bit more. And then I'm gonna put it there. Okay, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna bend it so it get close to the. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay, let me use this guy. So I'm gonna bend it close to it. So let me push it there so it get close to that thing. Bend. Okay, that's good. That's about right. So I'm gonna tighten it up again. Apply my iron and the solder on top of it. So I'm gonna heat it and just like that. Okay, that's looking good. All right, so we got everything wired up. Okay, so we have the pin, the resistor, and the LED. All we have left just to test it. So let's see. Hopefully the LED is not. It's working. Okay. Hopefully. So we got everything in there. What we want to do is just grab one of my battery here. I got one of those 18650. So this is a lithium battery. Gotta be careful with those. All right, now I need a battery holder stuff, and this will do it. I guess so. All right, let's go. Gonna put one in there. Okay. All right. All right. Make sure to listen to a quick short circuit. So I'm gonna do just plug it in, and hopefully it works. Oh, doesn't work. Something's wrong. Okay, let me put it out before I see what's going on. This is well connected. And I have one LED connected here. This one is connected. Alright, this is not good. Let me go ahead and do it again. Oh, okay. Oh, we have current, okay. Maybe I did it wrong way. It's weird. Why isn't it working? Okay. Maybe we'll do it the other way. No big deal. Not a big deal. Hopefully I don't have a short circuit or anything of that. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and put it there. There we go. We have a little LED. Huh. So our circuit's working. Look at that. Pretty nice. Alright, the breadboard's working. Oh, this is amazing. Alright, that's it. Next time we'll do something more sophisticated, like we'll add some operation amplifier and add some